Hello everyone. Welcome to Database Management System Lab tutorial. This is Masiha Banu, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Science and Engineering at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan.
DBMS Lab Program 6. Write a PLR SQL block of code using parameterized cursor that will merge the data available in the newly created table enroll call with the data available in the table oral call. If the data in the first table already exists in the second table, then the data should be skipped. So this is the sixth program. The solution is to accomplish this task in MySQL. We can use a stored procedure with a parameterized cursor to merge the data from the one table, that is enroll call, into the another table oral call while skipping existing data. We will iterate through the records of enroll call and insert them into oral call only if they do not already exist. First, let's how to start the program. Here I have created a rollback database. By using that database, I have created here enroll call table with the following fields. This will okay, and again another table I have created here. So that is oral call with the following fields, and it is also the query it is also okay, which means the two tables has been successfully created. Then insert the values into the enroll call. So enroll call table. So that is 1, 2, and here again 2. This is a duplicate value. The duplicate entry it will came. So again it will not take. And here is the third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the 5 records I have inserted into the tables of enroll call table. Next, let's define the merge roll call data stored procedure to merge the records from the enroll into the row or roll call, skipping existing records. So here's to declare the delimiter, and then these are the defined fields, and declare the cursor for the enroll tables. And next to declare the handler for the cursor, and start the looping through the cursor result. So that is cursor loop is loop, and fetch the data from the cursor into variables, and check if no rows to fetch. Then check if the data is already exist in the oral call. Then insert the records into the oral call, and then close the cursor and end with the cursor. So this is how the query it will get finished. So here in this query, the stored procedure merge roll call data uses a cursor, that is n cursor, to iterate through the records of the enroll call table. Inside the cursor loop, so here inside the cursor loop, each record, NID, name, NData, and also the enroll call is fetched and checked against the oral call table. If the records does not already exist in the oral call, then checking using the not exist, it is in the inserted oral call. The cursor loop continues until all the records enroll call have been processed. The cursor is then closed. Close the n cursor. So after once it has been checked no rows, then we have to insert the records into the O row and then close the cursor. And lastly, if it is the cursor loop continues until all the records from the enroll call have been processed, then close the cursor is then close the n cursor. And lastly, executes the stored procedure, and finally executes the merge roll call data, store the procedure to merge the records from the enroll call into the oral call while skipping the existing records. And finally, we can verify the records in the oral call by using select star from oral call. Select star from oral call. Here we have to check whether the new records from the enroll call have been inserted while executing existing common records have been skipped.